Okay, this is the 55-gallon reef after I added all the live rock and everything to it again. I added about another 20-something pounds, 30 pounds, somewhere in that neighborhood. Most of it's on this end and right here in the middle. There's that nasty little clownfish I keep telling y'all about. He ain't nothing nice, buddy. That's my clownfish's perch, and he's done run him off of that. My little Ocellaris. My two Vestras. And that's it, y'all. I think it looks a lot cooler with the live rock in it. I think the tank's going to end up a lot better. There's the sump tank. It's down there in the dark by the sleeping puppies and the kitty cat. Well, that's it, guys.